Welcome to our exploration of Jeremiah chapters 41 through 44, a dramatic saga filled with intrigue, betrayal, and divine messages, perfect for anyone curious about the Bible's rich narratives. In chapter 41, we meet Ishmael, a man consumed by power who betrays and slays Gedaliah, the appointed governor by the Babylonians. This act of treachery sends ripples through the land, generating chaos and fear among the people. This tension sets the stage for the remaining chapters, capturing our attention as we wonder, what will happen to this fractured community? Chapter 42 transitions us to a desperate plea. Amidst this turmoil, Johanan and the military leaders approach Jeremiah, seeking prophetic guidance from God. "Pray that the Lord your God will tell us where we should go and what we should do," they implore in verse 3. Their request seems sincere, yet it foreshadows a deeper conflict. Will they actually listen to divine instruction or follow their own plans? As we move into chapter 43, the plot thickens. Despite Jeremiah's God-given advice, "Do not go to Egypt," the leaders, doubting his words, decide to flee to Egypt anyway. Here we see a crucial theme unfold: human stubbornness versus divine guidance. Their choice not to heed Jeremiah symbolizes a broader human struggle, ignoring wisdom when it contradicts our desires. Finally, in chapter 44, the consequences of this disobedience come to light. In the heart of Egypt, Jeremiah delivers a stern message from God. The people's persistent idol worship and refusal to follow God's commandments would lead to their downfall. A reminder that actions bear consequences. Here, verse 23 encapsulates it. "Because you have burned incense and have sinned against the Lord, disasters have befallen you." Through this story, we witness timeless themes of trust and obedience, offering valuable lessons for today. Jeremiah 41 to 44 isn't just an ancient tale. It's a compelling narrative that challenges us to reflect on the choices we make and their impact. You don't want to miss discovering how these lessons resonate with our own lives. Stick around for more engaging dive into other biblical stories that offer wisdom and insight.